Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys we will show you how to remove and replace front strut shock on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation 2018-2017, that including the ST guys. We have a 2015 ST that we will be demonstrating on. We'll show you how to remove front right strut. Okay, the left one will be almost identical procedure as well. So what we're going to do, need to have the car, okay, in gear. You have to have the, or in park if it's automatic, you have to have the emergency brake on, and we're going to put some tire chokes on the rear left side. Okay, I usually do diagonal if we're working on the front right, I do the rear left. Then we're going to jack it up, okay, and it's very important to use a jack stand, because if you don't use a jack stand, what happens is, like, if one little seal in the jack fails, the whole car is going to fall on you. And we'll be making more than 200 videos on this car guys. If you need anything, subscribe, let us know, we'll try to make a video. Also, we have other cars, anything from Ford to Mercedes that we've been rebuilding here from a car auction. Almost a brand new Mercedes. Okay, we'll go ahead, install the jack stand there, and now we can proceed with removing the wheel. When we remove the wheel, what we're going to do, we will actually put it face up under the vehicle. So just in case something happens and it still falls from the jack stand and the wheel will catch it, the worst thing that will happen is damage the wheel and a little bit something else, but at least it will save the car and save you if you're under the vehicle. Okay, just like that. First thing that we'll need to disconnect is that hose right here for the brake line. Okay, it attaches to the strut, you can see. So with 10mm, we're going to take it off. Okay, just like that. Next we'll need to remove, okay, the line, that's the ABS wire right here. This clip, sometimes if you try to pull it out of the strut it will break. You can go ahead and try. Sometimes it won't, but if you get a small screwdriver, okay, you can open the tube. It's kind of like a zip tie. Okay, and pull it out. Okay, we're going to get one small screwdriver just to help it on the bottom to come out of the clip. Okay, just like that. Okay, perfect. Next we need to disconnect our sway bar link, and we're going to spray the sway bar link with WD-40 penetrating oil. We're going to spray the bolts for the strut as well, because if you have some rust dust, that cleans it really good and you'll be able to take it off easy. Okay, so now this one inside, you can see it is with a hex key. So if it starts spinning, you're going to use a wrench, box wrench, and a hex key to take it off. So let's see if ours is going to spin or it's going to come loose. Okay, we got lucky, our didn't start spinning, otherwise you can see the hole right here. That's where we put the hex key. Now we need to apply some pressure on the sway bar down. Okay, usually you'll be never ever pry on the tie rod, ever, because if you bend that thing, your steering will be off, you can be jumpy, and that's just dangerous. Okay, so you can get a prying bar. Okay, get it right there under the CV axle, never pry on the boot. Okay, and just disconnect it like that. Next procedure, okay, we have to get this loose. So those are with 18mm socket on this side, 15 on this one. Okay, this one's loose, it started spinning on the back side, so we will need to go ahead and hold it with a 15mm wrench. We'll just use a little impact in a second to take them off quick. Okay, perfect. Okay, one is out. Now one more on top. This one as well. Okay, now we'll need to move the hub a little bit in, like that, until you wiggle the bolts out of there. Okay, we have one more on the bottom. Okay, perfect. Now, what could happen is when you disconnect this one, okay, it might fall, so we'll need to put a bucket or something underneath it. And we'll need to support it, because otherwise it will try to pull out of there when you remove the strut. And you can see the CV axle here, you pull it out of the inner boot, and it's really pain to put that thing together, to be honest with you. You might need to even take the boot off, all that grease, it's nasty. So we'll just go ahead and support it here. Okay, the strut is loose now. Okay, the thing is not going to fall, it's standing in there, so that's good. So we have only a little bit more work left to remove the whole strut assembly. Next, you need to open the hood. Okay, and now we have 3 nuts that we need to remove with 13mm wrench. Okay, right there. See 1, 2 over there. Okay, I'm trying to focus here because of the light. 1, 2, and one is towards the back. Okay, over there. So it's important not to drop those. Okay, you can remove that thing, that's the nut for the strut, that's the protection for the strut there, so it doesn't rust. Let's see if we can take this one off. Otherwise you have to remove that trim here, and for that you have to remove actually the headlight as well. So we got the back one loose, not all the way. We're going to remove this first so the strut can drop a little bit, and we'll get to the last one. They don't go so easy because they're locking nuts, but towards the end they will go really easy by hand. Okay, one is out. Now just second one there. It's a little bit hard to reach. Okay, one more. Then just the last one. Still holding there. Removing it now by hand, because it got loose towards the end. Okay, this is the third one. So now, nothing's holding the strut. All you have to do, okay, carefully pull it out of the ABS wire, and you can see, guys, this is the whole strut assembly on the Fiesta right here, the whole front strut. So that's how you guys remove it. You install it in exactly the same way we took it apart. in reverse order actually. And if you want to replace the spring, we have the video how to do that. If you just buy a strut without a spring, not very complicated procedure. Check out the video how to compress the spring and get it out, or if you want to install lowering spring. So thank you for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.